You must be familiar with measurements of plants, persons, walls or any other objects with measuring tape. This kind of measurement where object is measured with measuring instrument is called as direct measurement. This is not possible all the time. How would you measure length of distant mountain? It is physically impossible to measure such objects with tapes. In such cases, mathematics come to our rescue. Concepts of trigonometry can be used here. I will solve some problems which involve finding height and distance of large objects using concepts of trigonometry. Before that, you must be familiar with some terms. Line of sight, angle of elevation and angle of depression. The line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point on the object viewed is the line of sight. If person is viewing the flag, he has raised his head to view the object. In this case, the distance between the eye and point on flag is not horizontal line, but this line makes some angle with horizontal line. This angle is called as angle of elevation. If person lowers his head to view the object, then the line between his eye and point on object makes some angle with horizontal line. This angle is called as angle of depression. Let's solve some problems. Find the value of x in following figures. Consider the first figure. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degrees and angle ACB is 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equal to AB by BC. AB is opposite side and BC is adjacent side. Substitute the values. It is x by 60. So, tan 45 degrees is equal to x by 60. If you remember, tan 45 degrees is nothing but 1. So, it is 1 equal to x by 60. So, x is equal to 60. We have found the value of x here. Now, consider the second figure. In triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equal to RP by PQ. RP is opposite side and PQ is adjacent side. Substitute the values. It is 90 by x. Tan 60 degrees is equal to 90 by x. Tan 60 degrees is square root of 3. Hence, it is square root of 3 equal to 90 by x. X is equal to 90 by square root of 3. 90 can be written as 30 into 3. It is 30 into 3 by square root of 3. 3 is square root of 3 square. Hence, x is equal to 30 into square root of 3. We found the value of x in second figure as well. Let's solve another problem. A tall building casts a shadow of 300 meters long when the sun's altitude or elevation is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. There is a shadow of building of length 300 meters. Sun ray makes elevation of 30 degrees. Remember, when we say elevation or depression, it will be with respect to ground level. So, elevation of 30 degrees looks like this. Notice, building and sun ray makes a right angled triangle ABC. AB is tall building. BC is shadow which is 300 meters long. And angle C is angle of elevation which is 30 degrees. We are supposed to find the length of the building. Let's call the length of the building AB as x. Tan 30 degrees is equal to AB by BC. It is x by 300. Tan 30 degrees is 1 by square root of 3. Hence, it is 1 by square root of 3 equal to x by 300. So, x is equal to 300 by square root of 3. 300 can be written as 3 into 100. 3 can be written as square root of 3 into square root of 3. Hence, x is equal to square root of 3 into square root of 3 into 100 divided by square root of 3. Cancel the terms square root of 3. It is x is equal to 100 into square root of 3. So, height of the tower is equal to 100 into square root of 3. Let's solve another problem. From the top of the building, 50 into square root of 3 meter high, the angle of depression of an object on the ground is observed to be 45 degrees. Find the distance of the object from the building. This is the building of length 50 into square root of 3. The angle of depression is 45 degrees. We are supposed to find distance of object from the building. The object is at C. Hence, we have to find the length of BC. BC is the distance between the object and building. Let's call this distance as x. Tan 45 degrees is equal to BC by AB. BC is opposite side and AB is adjacent side. Substitute the values. Tan 45 degrees is 1. BC is x. And AB is 50 into square root of 3. Hence, x is equal to 50 into square root of 3.